Good evening, students. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training and welcome to data structures and algorithms with Java. Okay, this is nothing but sir batch one. Batch one. This is the first batch and first time I am handling this subject in DurgaSoft. Already I handled data structures, but with Java and with new concepts I came with this particular course. Okay, and myself K Prakash Babu, having 16 years of experience as technical trainer. So here data structures we are going to cover, and some basics of algorithms also we are going to see, and the implementation of these things will be in Java. That's why I request everyone, those who are having the minimum knowledge in Java, okay, like oops concepts, multi-threading, all these things are not required. Exception handling, multi-threading, those things are not required. But anyway, whenever it requires, I will give 1 or 2 points related to that. But make sure you have to get full-fledged idea on this Java, sir, especially oops concepts. I request everyone to please don't post any questions while lecture is going on. Okay. Yeah. So next term, the tentative syllabus, of course, already there in our website. You can cross check durgasoft.com. There you can able to see. And the tentative syllabus, we are going to talk about introduction to DSA, and then how you can able to solve the problem, how you are going to analyze the problem, what steps you are going to take for preparing the algorithm, all these things, and the time and space complexities, how you can able to calculate theoretically. Okay, sir, what are the notations used to represent time and space complexities? What are the different aspects of algorithms are available? And we will see mathematical algorithms, then bitwise operations on this numbers, how recursion is going to work, maximum programs we are going to cover on recursion. So arrays, strings, matrices, searching and sorting techniques, we have 15 sorting techniques are there in my hand. Every sorting technique with program, with live examples, by analyzing that algorithms we will explain. And a linked list, so we know single, double, circular, all the types of linked list. So already we have predefined data structures are there in Java. We will use those predefined also. At the same time, how to create user defined also we are going to see in this. Next, and after that, stack, how to implement a stack by using Java, what principal stack is going to follow. So what is mean by queue? What are the different types of divisions are there in the queue? So what is mean by binary tree? What are the different trees are existed, like so red black trees, okay, AVL trees, so height balance trees, B trees, B plus trees, so binary search trees, how to implement all those things. So hash tables, hashing technique, okay, collisions, how you can able to resolve the collisions, linear probing, quadratic probing, all these things. So AVL trees, dictionaries and maps also we are going to cover, graph theory. So some algorithms like a greedy algorithm, backtracking algorithm, dynamic programming, these things we are going to cover. And the duration of this course is 2 to 3 months. Okay, but as of now, 2 months is the target. But this is the first time, right? Sometimes I may take some less sessions. Sometimes, sir, explanation will become more complex. Like I need to take multiple examples for you to understand. So first time it takes some time, sir. That's why 2 to 3 months duration, minimum 3 months it will be wind up. Okay, sir. The timings of this class is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. only on weekdays. That is Monday to Friday we have these classes. Saturday and Sunday we don't have any class, but if any time demands, we will give Saturday and Sunday also, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours like that. Rarely I will take, sir. And first time we are launching this course, right? That's why the fees for this batch is rupees 1,000, that is 999. Okay, those who are having interest to continue this batch, you can make the payment immediately and get registered for this course. And if you want to continue this batch, so I am going to share the numbers on chat window. So try to try to make a call to these numbers and make your admission confirm. Okay, then. So next term, sir, core Java, very, very important. Majority of the students having doubt. Sir, what is the prerequisite for this? Sir, nothing is required, but since we are providing implementation in Java, compulsory you should have core Java knowledge. Sir, I don't know anything about core Java. No, it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible. So if you want to attend parallelly, my Java batches are also available. So core Java batch is running at morning 7 o'clock, only 6 classes completed. Okay, if you want, you can contact to this same number and you can get registered. For this fees is 5,000. And sir, I am interested in programming. I want to learn the program. Sir, we have some program is there like logic based programming. Okay, just now we have started this batch. So every program, sir, have a look once. So every program implementation will be there in all 3 languages. Like we have the programs from basic to advanced level, almost sir 300 plus programs we are going to cover. Okay, if you are willing for that, you can continue that course also. That batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, almost we are going to cover 350 programs, and every program explanation will be there in C, Java and Python. For this fees is 2000. So this is optional for you, sir. It is not recommended, but the person who are very interested to continue in data structures, in learning data structures, but I don't know anything about Java, better to complete Java and then get back this. Or parallelly, if you want, this is the option what we have. Okay, right. Sir, this is our previous class demo. Whatever I have discussed in last class. The duration of the logic based programming is 2 months. The core Java duration is also 2 months. So this is nothing but whatever things we covered in the last videos. Okay, sir, that's all. This is the demo what we have taken in the last class. Okay, sir, please confirm if you are having any queries up to this. If you confirm, then I will go with our first class. Any doubts up to this? Right, sir. Logic based programming, Java programming, if you want to communicate, just contact to the admin team. They will provide the access. Now current live batch is going on, so you can go through that. Live batch is going on at 8 o'clock. Okay, logic based programming, yes, that's what I'm talking. Payment link, you can contact admin. Yes, graphs in depth also we are going to cover in the graph theory. So graph coloring, everything we are going to teach. Yeah, the basics of DSA here we are going to cover. With the help of that, you have to put your effort also. So directly the questions or the concepts what I am explaining, so will not be sufficient. In addition to that, your practice also required, because the company, top MNC companies will put a questions on DS only, right? If they are asking how you can delete a node from a single linked list, you should be in a position to respond. Apart from that, they won't ask any questions. So you have to write the code for that. At least you have to explain through the diagram. Okay, directly after attending this course, you won't get job, sir. So compulsory your effort is also very, very important. Okay, yeah, basics to maximum advanced level, 70% we are going to cover. Yeah, videos will be given for you 7 months access. Again, I'm repeating, the videos will be given for you 7 months access. Running notes, lifetime validity I will provide. Okay, Praveen, it is a Java program. So that's why we can use any IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans or IntelliJ or VS Code, anything you can use. But as of now, I'm simply using this Edit Plus. Okay, because it is very easy in learning stage, right? That's why. Yeah, dynamic programming also we are going to cover. Yeah, today LBP batch is not there. No, So because at very first time we are launching the course, right? That's why we have given with less price. Next time you can't able to imagine the fees of this batch. Lead code, all these things are related to the problem solving. Here we are concentrating on implementing the data structures. Both are different context. Prajwal, Java is a programming language. Okay. So even for this, you can't expect the fees at very first time. That's why we have kept this. Okay. Java is a complete theory concept, man. N number of things will be there on that. They will say directly you can make a payment. Okay. Our admin people will share the details. Please wait. So then you can take a screenshot of that payment details. You can make a payment, send a screenshot to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. Okay. Yeah, definitely, Subrat. Definitely it will be helpful. Yes, yes. 9 months access. Yes. Yes, logic based programming I am dealing. Yeah, parallelly you can join both, no problem. Sir, you can ask the doubts by unmuting yourself. But today, because of this huge crowd, I am not giving any permission for you. Okay. So once if our regular class started, so almost the number of students are going to be reduced right after payment, then I will provide you the access. If the question is very serious. Logical programming batch duration 2 months. Sir, please don't ask repeated doubts. Yeah. Logic based programming, no prerequisite is required. Directly you can join. Okay. Please contact to that numbers, whatever I have shared, sir. You can please share you can please take a screenshot of these two numbers. You can contact to these numbers at your free time. Now admins will be busy. So please contact them. Okay. They will provide you the access. Okay. So if you want to just, I'm dropping one mail ID. First contact admin. Okay. So then you can drop a mail to this mail ID. So I will make admin to call you. Okay. Yeah, right. Yes, space complexity algorithms will be started from scratch. Sunny. Yeah. Sir, please put your doubts ahead. Just I'm going to start the class, right? Yeah, fine. Sir, first of all, sir, I will my style of teaching. Okay. Sir, please, code chef, all these things are not covered in this Narasimha Prasad. Lead code, code chef, hacker rank, those are called as problem solving approaches. Okay, problem solving approaches. Better you can refer my logic based videos, which was there in YouTube. You can refer that. Don't talk about lead code or code chef or hacker rank here, because this is the data structure. Theory part, how we are going to provide implementation for these data structures, we are covering, not solving the problems. Okay, problem solving means what? Taking two numbers, performing addition operation, returning the result. This is problem solving. Okay. Now, sir, if n number of students are coming, in what order I am taking the input, how I am managing that data, and how I am going to give the best way of service. So for that, what data structures we have to implement, that part I am talking here. Okay. Yeah, this is the theory and practical, both will be there. Theory will be there, at the same time practical implementation will be there in Java. Yes, yes. I'm going to give all the things. Avinash, please wait. Yeah. Sir, please don't ask any doubts as of now. I will give time. Please stop putting the messages in chat window. Please, sir. Right. Sir, now, sir, n number of real-time applications are there for data structures. But of course, I can't take that real-time examples directly. I can't go for implementation, but definitely we can take a snapshot of that, and you can able to work on that algorithm. Okay, slowly how it is going to work, piece by piece I will explain the codes. Later we will combine all these small modules into a big program to solve the problem. Okay, sir, first before going to the data structures, before moving to the data structures, sir, I want to give an example. First I want to provide one example for you. Then I will go with the definition of data structure, what is the classification of data structures, and a few more real-time examples I will take. Okay, few more real-time examples I will take. Then I will go with what are the characteristics of algorithms, and we will pick up some 10 algorithms. We will write algorithms for those problem statements, and we will prepare a Java implementation also for that. Don't worry. So it takes minimum 2 days or 3 days time slowly to addict into my class. Okay, sir, first, so I'm going to take one small heading here. I think you can able to see these kind of things even in your mobiles, sir. Not only mobiles, even in everywhere. I think you have seen these kind of things, sir. Have you seen anywhere a music player, a music player, sir? N number of music players are there in the market. For example, sir, Geo Savan. Okay, Geo Savan is one of the music player, sir. Next and after that, sir, have you seen Spotify? Spotify internally, the code in that Spotify is almost implemented by using Python, sir. Sir, next and after that, sir, this Prime Music is also available. Okay, sir. Yeah, maybe that's all right. Yes. Okay, etc. I can use the word called etc. Sir, to implement these music players internally, data structures concept is used to implement music player application. To implement music player application, sir, internally, so they are using data structures. Sir, here the data is nothing but maybe I can say mp3 songs, right? mp3 songs will become input for the data. But how they are organizing? Sir, they are going to involve with various searching, and various sorting techniques will be there. Okay, various queues will be there. Have you remembered, if you want to walk around your park? Okay, I want to go to morning walk around 5 to 6 p.m. Then, sir, I can create one separate queue. In that queue I can place all the inspirational songs there, okay, or devotional songs there. So whenever I'm going for walking, I will start playing that queue. Sir, the queue is going to get completed. Okay, sir, that kind of data structure internally we are using. Sorting. Suppose if you take any album, okay, if you take any singers, for example, if you select any singer like popular Telugu or Tamil or Hindi or English singer, if you select, maybe consider that a singer is having 200 to 300 songs. So according to release date, you can able to sort, right? Okay, according to release of year, you can sort, right, in ascending or descending, both. Yes, you can do that. Sometimes in the top you can able to see search bars, sir. There also we are going to type some album name or artist name or singer name. Immediately that lyrical one or two quotes, immediately that searching is going to be happen. Okay, very importantly, sir, we are going to use linked list also. That is the main important aspect today I'm going to cover. Okay, sir, linked list is the best application which are used in music players. Music players, sir, if you see in the music player, there are three kind of scenarios are there. Okay, there are 3 to 4 kind of scenarios are there. Sir, scenario number one, what is the first scenario is, sir, you can able to see when a song is playing, when a song is playing, sir, next song you can select or not? Yes. After completion of this song, next song. After completion of this song, next song. Sir, after completion of this song, next song. All these songs will be there in queue. Sir, this style is called as linked list. Remember carefully. So we will create a program how to maintain these links, all these things. I will explain with the help of Java programming. Sir, what is the second scenario? Array, sir. So here we have one song is there. Can I take next song? Yes, happily you can go. Sir, can I take next song? Happily you can able to do. Sir, can I select previous song also? Yes, happily we can go for that. Can I select previous song also? Yes, happily you can go for that. From here, next song is possible. From here, next song is possible. From here, previous song is possible. Like this. Sir, have you observed? Sir, you can traverse in both directions from left to right. That means forward direction, at the same time reverse direction. In both directions, you can able to move. Sir, this one is called as double linked list. Then, sir, I have played these songs. I have played this song. One song is there. Okay, I don't have any previous button, but I have next button is there. So second song is also completed. Third song is also completed. Fourth song completed. That's all. In my queue, I have only 4 songs. Sir, after completion of these 4 songs, the player is going to stop playing the songs. But sir, my requirement is, can you please repeat from beginning? Can you please repeat from beginning? Yes, it is possible. This is called as circular single linked list. Instead of linked list, I will use yes. Yes means single linked list. A single link will be there from one node to another node. Node in the sense here song. One song to another song. Double linked list means what? Two links will be there. One is to move to the forward. Second one is to move to the backward. Okay. Sir, in circular single link list, after completion of last song, you can able to come back to the first song. That means what? Links are there in forward direction only, but after playing the last song, it is connected to the first song via link. Sir, what about last one? I think you can able to guess, which is nothing but a double linked list. So this will become next song. This will become next song. So this will become next song. But previous to this one. Previous to this one. Sir, previous to this one. Sir, previous to this one. Next to this one. Like, sir, this is called as circular double linked list. Just for your understanding purpose, I have taken one real-time example and I have explained with the help of a small diagram. Okay. In this small music player, how many data structures we are using, how many operations we are performing, you can imagine. So that is the present trending, sir. So apart from your logical thinking, apart from your programming knowledge, apart from this, sir, you must have a knowledge to implement the data structures. Okay, this is very, very important. So by ready-made, we have 10 to 15 data structures are there if you are very good at all these data structures, but the task of these data structures is same. So to store the data, but in what order you are going to process, that is the very, very important. Okay, so compulsory, you must have an idea about all these data structures. Okay, this is nothing but the concept of just the first example, music players. Sir, how the music player is going to work internally, what kind of data structures we are using. I think I explained very clearly for you people. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts on this first application? Please confirm. Is it clear? Yes. So next one, can we repeat one song again and again? Yes, that is also called as looping, right? Looping. We can do that. We can do that. Sir, where is the manage at this user end or database? See, database we are not going to touch. Database concept is used to store only data. there you should not write any code. The code should be there in the application. Okay, so if you are preparing application for selecting the song, that song will be come from the database. Next song will come from the database. So it is going to fetch the songs and it will be stored internally. That logic building we have to do in the application. Okay. Yes, Karthika, please just imagine, that's all. I'm not going in detail. So once if you go to in detail there, with the help of beautiful diagram, we will see. Just try to observe outline. Circular double linked list means last node can be pointed to the previous first node. First node link will be there for the last node. That's all. Yes, playlist, play next, play previous. That options only I explained. Someone is asking, sir, how you can able to shuffle data? Yes, we can do that. For shuffling, which algorithm we are going to use? Randomized algorithm. Are you going to decide which song is going to be played next once if shuffle is on? We don't know. Even the person who developed that player don't know, because it will generate a random number. Suppose if your queue is having 100 songs, it will generate a random number from 1 to 100. That song will be played. That's all. Yeah, that's what I'm explaining, Roboshan. Yeah, we can do that internally. If you want to play the current song repeatedly, sir, please have a look once. Sir, I want to play this song repeatedly. Then this link will be deleted. This link will be deleted. So here they are going to maintain one queue. In that queue, this song, sir, next song is this one only, self to self pointing. Okay, this node is keep on repeating. That's all. This is called as repetition. Once if you stop this repetition, then this link will be established. Clear? Yeah, YouTube videos everywhere. Players will follow these kind of concepts only. Sir, don't go beyond that. Just try to imagine, that's all. I'm not explaining the implementation of these things. Okay, don't worry. Shall we go for next example? Right. Sir, I think the example which I'm going to explain now, you have faced these kind of things, sir. Even I have faced these kind of things. That's why wantedly I created this as a second example for us. Sir, something like spam emails, spam email spam email detection. Sir, do you know, sir, I have only one mail ID is there. Sir, something like it will start with R and then some email ID at the rate gmail.com. This is my mail ID. Sir, every day, minimum from, sir, 10 unknown persons, from 10 unknown companies. Okay, I'm getting the mails. Minimum 10 per day. Per day, sir, 10 mails I'm getting. 10 mails, 10 emails, spam mails per day. Sir, it is very difficult for me to read all those mails, right? Because, sir, I need to check for the important mails. Suppose if I have only 5 minutes time in the morning, if I open first mail, if it is a spam, I will open second mail. If it is a spam, next time onwards, I won't check any mail, right? This kind of a situation you have faced every time. Sir, what do we have to do here? Sir, once if you throw these emails, okay, from consider I got a mail from XYZ company, I throw this XYZ company mail to some spam, then what will happen? Then what will happen? Sir, maybe one day I throw, second time also I throw, third time also I throw, that fourth time onwards, the mail which is coming from this XYZ company won't be there in your inbox. It will be there in spam, sir. Okay, sir, are you facing these type of situations in your real time? Please confirm. Have you faced these kind of situations in real time? Some students are asking innocently this doubt. Will you just explain the data structure, or will you do the coding also? Yes, our main our main target is theory plus coding. Theory plus coding. Okay, definitely we will concentrate on coding with which language? Java, because this is the demo session, right? That's why just I'm trying to explore everything. Slowly, step by step, we will do all the activities. Okay, right. Sir, this spam email detection algorithm will be implemented. Here, which data structure we are going to implement means, remember, sir, string data structure. Okay, here we are going to use a string data structure to detect sir, spam emails. If I want to detect spam emails, they are going to use string data structure. For example, you can receive any email from @xyz.com means, sir, that means xyz.com is the target string. In your mail sender's email ID, if you find this mail, can you please take that mail and push it into either trash or spam? Like this, internally, Google developed algorithm that will be there in the spam. Okay, now what happens? Whenever you are receiving the mail, automatically it will detect such a type of things and it will send to the respective positions. In this, we are using string data structure or not? Yes, definitely. Searching algorithm, right? Which is going to work very efficiently. So in this spam email ID detections, we are going to use a data structure, which is nothing but string data structure. Sir, this second application, clear for you people, friends? Please confirm. Clear for you people? The duration of this course is 3 months. I told already. Again and again, silly questions you people are asking. Okay, no problem. Maybe you have joined very lately. No issues. Yes. Sir, what is mean by string? Group of characters. Group of characters. Okay. So just we are going to search for this. You can receive email from anything. So if the company is XYZ, definitely you will receive the mail @xyz.com, right? This xyz.com is our main target. This is nothing but a string group of characters. So in your sender's mail ID, okay, if anywhere this word is there, can you put that mail in spam folder? Like that they have prepared the algorithm. So how that algorithm is going to search? It will check each and every mail. Once if you received the mail, it will check in the sender's mail ID. If anywhere xyz is there, definitely it will be put into the spam. Okay. Something like a string you have seen already in your programming, right? Collection of characters. But string internally is a data structure. Without a string, nothing is possible. If you take any application, sir, majority, 90% of the data will be there only with the help of string. Sir, like in our earth, maximum data is filled with water, right? So 60% of the earth is occupied by water. In the same way, in every programming language, 70% of the data is occupied with string only. Without a string, you can't be able to do any task. Without water, you can't sustain at least 4 hours or 5 hours also. In the same way, that much important string concept is clear. Um, Sir, please wait. In Java, there are already list. In other things are available. I think whenever we need these things, just we are import and then yes, of course, we have already inbuilt support is there. Okay, but how those things are implemented, we are going to do now. So some things, if you want new, we can do that. Yes, string algorithms also will be covered. Everything will be there here. Right. Sir, next. Third example. Third example. So this is the last example. Sir, in my hand around 20 examples are there. Every day in the demo sessions, I will take 1 or 2 algorithms and I will try to explain. What is the next algorithm that we have here is, sir, anyone have you seen Book My Show application? Anyone? Book My Show application. Have you seen this? Yes, please confirm. What is the purpose of this one? It is nothing but, sir, movie ticket application, right? Movie ticket application. Sir, internally, it uses n number of algorithms, data structures. But in that, one of the application is nothing but I can say array data structure. They are going to use array data structure. Mainly, sir, two-dimensional arrays they are going to use for reservation, reservation of seats. Sir, I will explain with the help of diagram so that you can get very clarity. Okay, please wait, sir. Just to have a look once. Suppose consider this is nothing but a screen. Okay, this is nothing but a screen what I have, and this one is nothing but sir, seats first row, and this one is nothing but maybe consider second row. Sir, this one is considered some third row, and this one is nothing but fourth, some row or column, something like this we have. Sir, in this, consider, sir, we have some two or three seats are there here. Just for example purpose I am telling, sir, so don't take this one as a serious. Okay, because like this you want to be have, right? Yeah, so same thing. Yeah, just for example sake I am taking only first column. Sir, your seats will be allocated like this, and if you observe, every seat is labeled with some number starting from here. So maybe in my state, sir, they are going to labeled with A, B, C, D. Okay, so E, F, something like this. Sir, these are numbers from 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, so 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, and so on. Sir, I want to reserve this ticket. I want to reserve this particular seat. I want to reserve for myself. Sir, how it is going to be reserved? How it is going to be reserved? Sir, this one is going to be reserved with one special name. Sir, seat of which row? Sir, B row. Sir, which column? Sir, it is going to take second column. Indirectly, it is nothing but second row, second column. Like this, the seat will be reserved. Sir, this status is already 0. Now it is updated to 1. 1 means what? That immediately that color is going to be changed. If you observe that the colors are going to be changed, right? Yes, immediately once if you reserve, it will be filled with some other color. That means what? This seat is already reserved. Once if you make the payment, you can able to do that. Sir, if anywhere while doing the payment, if something is wrong, then you can able to disable A of 22 is equal to 0. Then immediately that seat is vacant, it will be displayed in white color. Sir, internally, which data structure we are using for selecting the seats? We are using the concept of arrays. It is an array. Okay, where how many rows will be there? Sir, 2 by 2 matrix it is. Okay, in that 2 by 2, not 2 by 2. Sir, here, yes, 2 by 2 only. But how many rows will be there? How many columns will be there? That will be depends on that particular seat capacity in the theater. So based on this, an array will be created and we are going to implement like this. Sir, here the number B is there, sir. The number B is there. This one easily I can know because it is a number. But this one is B. It is a seat row, right? How you converted into 2? Very simple. The people who are coming from my logic based programming, I think we have one concept is there. On this, we prepared almost 10 programs on that. What is that? You have to take ASCII value of A, which is nothing but 65. What is ASCII value of B? Sir, it is nothing but 66. Okay, sir, I will take ASCII value of this, which is nothing but 66. If you want to get a 2, which one we have to subtract? Minus, can I subtract 64? Yes, sir. Sir, if you subtract 64, you are going to get S of. Sir, this 64 is common. If you subtract 64 minus A, then you are going to get first row. Correct or wrong? So if you want to select C, what is ASCII value of 6? Sorry, C, it is nothing but 67. 67 minus 64 will become 3. So like that, it is going to be represented internally while coding. So because some people may have a doubt, sir, this one is alphabet, this one is number. How you can able to recognize it? This is a thought you have to catch. So then automatically implementation will become very easy for you people. Okay. I think, sir, in this movie ticket reservation system, in the Book My application show how these arrays are used to reserve the tickets. I think it is very clear for you people. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? In core Java, what topics we need to focus more? So as of now, you have to focus on collections and object oriented principles. Someone is asking, sir, in that ticket reservation system, they are taking queue. Yes, queue is also there. See, the person who are getting into that application first, you have to provide high priority. But in that, I'm taking a small module like selecting that particular seat. In that, which data structure you are using, that part I'm explaining. You can able to imagine now you got two algorithms, two data structures are working on that application. Sachin, don't worry, you will get it soon. Okay. Yes, Poonam, don't worry. 64 is nothing but just I have given a number. So how you can able to get that numbers? For that, if you subtract with the 64, you will get it. That not only 64 depends on application. You have to change. Don't worry. In further applications, I will explain everything. Yeah, my logic-based programming batch already started. So I told already. Please contact to this number. They will guide you. They will guide you. Already started. They will share the better. I will do one thing. The students who have registered for this course, you have given the mail IDs, right? So through that mail, we will send all the information, syllabus, everything. So by today night, you will receive the email which includes core Java playlist and a logic based programming demo playlists. Okay. So if you are interested, you can continue. Yeah. Right. So these are the small three applications that I explained just to enter into these data structures. Sir, okay. What about our regular class? Okay, applications, okay. In what point of view we are going to use these data structures? I understood. But sir, I want to implement the algorithm means, sir, how you can able to do that? Here, there are two parts are there. One is nothing but algorithms and the second one is nothing but data structures. Okay, one is nothing but algorithms, second one is nothing but data structures. So first I'm going to talk about, okay, so I told already Swapnil, don't talk about lead code or any other things because this is the data structure course. I'm not going to solve any problems here. Okay, it is not problematic sessions. These are theory part, but how to implement that problems we are going to discuss. Okay, lead code, all these things, they will give a problem statement. They ask us to develop the code. So for that, logical thinking must be required. So here, how the data structures we are going to use, that part I am covering. Okay. After completion of this, can I able to crack the interviews? Means yes. Product based companies, top MNC companies are going to ask the questions on data structures. At the same time, you should be able to solve programs also. For that problem solving, I already told, right, logic based programming. Try to register for that. There you can able to learn coding also. Yeah. What is the difference between algorithm and DS? Both are same. Data structures are the concept, sir. Data structures are the concept. So steps to implement that concept is nothing but algorithm. Okay. So if you want to understand my terminology, sir, assume I have 5 chocolates are there. 5 chocolates are there in my hand. I want to divide, I want to give these 5 chocolates to, sir, my 110 students. So in my mind, immediately I'm going to get one thought. So let us conduct a small 10 questions quiz for my students. Okay, in that select top 5. So for them, I will issue these 5 chocolates. This is my target. So the method, whatever I got, whatever concept I got, is the data structure. So 110 students attended the exam. We filtered 10 members from that, those who secured the top marks. In that top 5 students I selected, I am going to apply one mechanism for that. This is called as data structure. And I want to do this automation. Okay, I don't want to calculate, I don't want to take a paper and a pen, and I don't want to correct the papers. Okay, so I don't want to sort out manually. It will take long time, right? So I want to make all this process as automatic. Like, I will give student ID, student name, student email ID. Once if they enter into the examination, so a web portal will be displayed. There you have to answer all the questions automatically. I in the backend I have given options for them. So if anyone is secured pass marks, so I will sort the data according to the descending order of your marks, where first 5 records I will select, and I am going to give the what you can call that announcement. So that process, for that implementation, what process we are going to do, in that step by step we are going to follow algorithms. I think your doubt got clarified. Yeah, you can able to put in your resume. So I know data structures and algorithms, definitely. Yes, yes. Yeah. Sir, let us go with the first one. I want to divide the classification of data structures first, then I will go to this algorithms. So what is mean by data structures? What is mean by data structure? In a simple word, if I want to explain, sir, structure, making your data in a proper structure is called as data structure. Sir, arranging data in a proper structure, in a proper structure is called as data structures. Okay, or I can say, sir Nagarjuna, please switch off your video mode. No. Okay, or sir, organizing. Okay, organizing data is called as data structure. Organizing means what? Once if you got the data, you have to process that data, right? Sir, I want to collect in my area, I want to make a survey. I want to know how many graduate students are there, how many postgraduate students are there. I want to give a report to the government. So what I have done, I prepared a one small application, and I sent that application in our area group. That application, that link will be shared with all the students, and they are going to submit the data. So finally, if my count is reached, okay, then I'm going to segregate the data, right? This entire process, we have to apply some algorithm, we have to apply some data structure, so to organize this data. This concept is called as data structure. I may use arrays concept, or I may use linked list concept. See, if you store the data in variables, you can't sort the data, right? That's why if you depend on data structure, n number of applications we can able to get, right? Sir, what advantage we some students are asking questions. Sir, actually, we don't use the logic behind this DSA. We simply import. We simply import. Then why we have to learn? Sir, please don't mind. Hope this is a good question. Yes, of course, it is the good question. So majority of people may know about Java. In Java, already linked list concept is there. Simply, you can able to create a linked list like this. Okay, and they can able to add the elements because someone already created linked list. Sir, I will explain how to create your own linked list with your style. Okay, I will explain, sir, how to create your own linked list with your style. Then what will happen? the logic behind this, how they implemented, you will get it right. So that makes you very efficient in the data structure. So Java people are making you very lazy by providing this predefined support. Simply you are enjoying that feature. But how it is internally working, that is a very, very important question. See, there are different kinds of interview questions will be there. So for the freshers, if you take a sir, less number of data structure questions they are going to ask. But if you are an experienced person or in the middle category, if you are there, then definitely you must have, according to Java, whatever you are doing is okay. But apart from that, how your brain is going to think, so how you can able to work with these not defined methods, how you can able to go with your own implementation, that part we are going to learn here. Clear? For all the things we don't have solutions, right? I hope you got the answer, right? That depends on company, Saurav. That depends on company. Yeah, please let me give some time, sir. I will talk about this. Okay. So arranging the data in a proper manner is called as data structure, sir. Arranging the data in a proper manner is called as a data structure. Sir, already we have some data structures. Okay. Then how you can able to do these activities? Sir, already we have some data structures. And if you want, you can able to implement by your own also. Sir, then how you can able to classify and what kind of operations we can able to perform on data structures? Sir, various operations we can perform. The following, the following are the various operations, sir, that we can able to perform, that we can able to perform on data structures, like any data structure. Sir, first operation, inserting new data. Inserting new data. Sir, I got data. I want to insert into my database. So what technique you are going to perform? See, insertion, don't think that insertion means taking the data, putting into the database. So there compulsory you have to follow certain rules. See, if I have 10 applications, simply I will take the 10 applications and I will keep it in my table. Okay. But if you go to government office, every day, sir, they are going to get some applications. How they are going to keep the applications? Have you seen? So once if 10 applications already there on the table, your 11th application will be inserted at the end, not at top. Okay, not at the top. Suppose 12th application is come with some MP or MLA recommendation, means that application will come at first. So there we are using queue, at the same time priority queue also we are using. That means the application which came at highest priority will be processed first by the government official. So inserting the new data is not an easy task. We have to perform some kind of operations. Based on that, we have to insert the data. Okay. Next, after that, sir, uh, removal. Okay, removal of existing data. Sir, I want to remove the existing data. Yes, we can able to do. Sir, updating, or I can say replacement of data. Sir, so I have given my mobile number and email ID so to one of my course, Java course. Sir, later that student came up with sir, my Google Drive has been filled. I want to change that email ID. Then what will I will do? I will give a small application. Can you please write your email ID and your mobile registered mobile number and put your signature. If your mobile number, corresponding email ID and corresponding signatures are matched, I will replace that old email ID with your new email ID. But for that, whatever mobile number you have given, I will send a OTP. Can you please resend that OTP or tell me that OTP number? If it is validated, I will update. Right? These kind of things also we have seen several times. Next. So insertion, deletion, updation, then very, very important, searching. Sir, we have two types of searchings are there. You know very well, linear and binary, which is efficient binary search. Then if you want to sort the data, we have almost 15 plus sorting techniques are there. Anything you can use. Sir, etc. If you want to perform these kind of operations, these kind of operations we can able to do on data structures. Okay. Yeah, deleting. I forgot. Sorry. Yes, deleting. So deleting, that is removal, right? Already I covered removal. Okay. Yes. Hash table is also best searching. Yes, merging, everything will come into the picture. That's why I use it, etc. Okay. Sir, here, if we perform, okay, so if we use above algorithms very effectively on data structures, then so complexities are sir, so many factors will be improved. I can't say any one factor. So if you implement these programs very clearly, n number of advantages you are going to get. Very simple. I have a student database is there. Student data is there. If I want to read the data, better to use array list concept. Sir, I have student data is there. I want to insert some data. Better to go for linked list concept. Okay, here array list, or I can say array. So like this, based on the concept, we have to go for appropriate. This will be decided by space and time complexities. Other than that, nothing. Okay. So clear about these data structures. So that at top level, what we have. Yeah, swapping, everything will come into the picture. Sir, clear up to this? Yeah, internal, how it is going to work in hashing, we will discuss. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm. Yeah. So classification of data structures is also there, that we will discuss later. Okay. But let me give the definition for algorithm. I think everyone know what is the definition of algorithm, right? So definition of algorithm, everyone knows. Okay. What is the definition? Sir, step by step. Okay. Step by step process to solve a problem. To solve a problem is called as an algorithm. Okay, step by step process what we are going to implement to solve a particular problem is called as algorithm. And in this algorithm, we will concentrate mainly on design part. So here we will concentrate, okay, on design part, but not on implementation. That's why, sir, this implementation we are going to use Java. So that's what I told. Data structures with Java means what? I will take the theory class, what concepts we are going to use, what is the algorithm to be followed. Same thing, sir, in Python also we are going to discuss the same. Sir, data structures with Python is very easy for me, because the concept whatever I am delivering in my Java DSA, Python DSA will become same. The only thing is, if I am efficient in Java and Python, there ends the matter. So here algorithm is the same, implementation will be there in Java. Their algorithm is also same, implementation will be there in Python, except that nothing. Okay. Yeah, no problem. You can take your own decision. Nothing is there. Okay. Sir, again I am telling, Java knowledge must be required for this. Java knowledge must be required for this. Okay. Yeah. Next, sir, here we are not going to apply any syntax. Here we won't follow any syntax. Sir, just like we are going to write our English instructions. We are going to write our English instructions. That's all. Sir, I will wind up these just by taking one small application, sir. Okay, I want to prepare one small algorithm. What is that algorithm or what is a problem statement? Let me take first problem statement. Sir, what is the problem statement? Can you please write or design a problem or implement a program? Implement a program, sir, to perform addition of two numbers. This is my task. I want to implement a program to perform addition of two numbers. That is my task. Sir, how you can able to do that? How you can able to do that? First, prepare the algorithm for this. What is algorithm for this? Sir, first step, we have to read two numbers from the user. Two numbers from the user. I think this will become the first step for us. What is the second step? Sir, use arithmetic operators. Use arithmetic operators to calculate result. That is nothing but addition. Sir, what will be the formula? C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. That's all. Now what we have to do? Sir, result, print result to the console or sir screen or file or database. Anything, anywhere. You have to store your result. That's all. This is nothing but a simple algorithm. What I can able to tell. So if I want to perform addition of two numbers, taking two numbers from the user and use proper operations, whatever statement which they have given in the problem, and you have to use appropriate formula to construct that, and we have to print that result on the screen. Okay. Next, sir, what is the next step? We have to go for implementation. Sir, how to implement this? So I am using Java, right? I'm using Java. So I'm going to take integer, the function, the method name as addition. So it will take two numbers like integer a comma integer b. It is taking two numbers. So internally, it will calculate c is equal to a plus b. Then it is going to return the value of c. That's all. This is a small program what I have taken. A small method like integer addition I have taken. So in that integer addition, I received two parameters like a and b, and I calculated addition of these two values, and I am printing the result. Nothing more than this. Sir, please confirm, is the problem statement and what algorithm we have followed here and how we implemented. Is it clear for you people? Sachin, sir, what is the difference between data type and the data structure? In some languages, both are same. Okay. Data type is a small entity. So data structure is a big entity. We can say primitive data types, fundamental data types. Abstract data types will comes under data structures. Okay. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this. Don't write down anything. I will share this document for you people. Okay. Don't write anything. I will share this document for you people. Can I go for executable code now? Yes, please confirm. Can I go for executable code now? Yes. So let me take a simple Java program, sir. A simple Java program. Now I want to take one class called maybe let me consider demo. Okay. So here main class is there. Already I implemented the program. Just I will copy this and I will paste here. That's all. Now what we have to do? Better you can use one word called static. You know very well. If you use a static, then what is the advantage that you are going to get? So no need to create any object for that. Directly you can able to call. Okay. Now, sir, what we have to do? If I want to perform addition of two numbers, since it is returning the result, directly you can call, sir, demo dot addition is the method name which you have given. If you pass 1 comma 2, you are going to get result as 3 because it will take these two values from the user. It will take these two values. One will be copied to A, sir, 2 will be copied to B, then C is equal to, it will perform A plus B, that is 1 plus 2. sir, your C value will become 3, that will be returned and that it is going to print. So this is called as a small algorithm what we have implemented. So if you maintain any data structure, the program length is going to be increased. Okay. Sir, can I do this repeatedly? Yes, no problem. You can take 2 comma 3. Your result will be 5. Let us execute this code. If you want to execute this code, we have to open command prompt. So in the command prompt, I'm going to take java c space test.java to compile the Java code. If you want to run the Java code, Java space test we have to take. Sir, are we getting 3 and 5 as our result or not? Yes. Sir, is the expected answer is the same or not? Yes. Sir, I don't know whatever you have typed and executed. I told already Java knowledge must be required if you want to continue this batch. Okay. So I'm not going to explain in detail about this. Sir, clear how to implement this code. I think you got clarity how to prepare our first algorithm, a smallest algorithm, and how to work on that. Yes, clear, right? Yes, we are going to cover all the topics in DSA. What questions you are asking? Clear, friends, up to this? Sir, I told already, right? We are going to prepare some algorithms in these basic classes. The first algorithm is nothing but, sir, addition of two numbers, right? I told already. Today we covered. Then, sir, swapping of two numbers. How you can able to do that? Sir, then, so maximum of two numbers. How you can able to do that? In this, one program may have multiple versions. That part also we will discuss. Sir, even or odd number application. How you can able to develop? Okay, how to prepare algorithm, how to implement the code. Sir, sum of n natural numbers. In this, I may use in recursion also. So three programs I am going to take. One is normal program. Second one is by using loop and by using recursion. Sir, maximum of three numbers. How you can able to work on that? Sir, then factorial program we are going to discuss. Next and after that, sir, prime number or not. How you can able to develop this application. Sir, next and after that, sir, Fibonacci series. Okay. Sir, next and after that, sir, Fibonacci series. How you can able to do that? Sir, how to develop these series? All these things we are going to discuss in live program, sir. Don't worry. For everything, I am going to take, sir, algorithm first, and we will see how we can able to implement. Okay. Yeah, maybe in these demo sessions, at least we will cover some 7 or 8 algorithms. Okay. And first we are going to talk about algorithms only. Okay. So first, what are the characteristics of algorithms? So how you can able to frame the algorithms? So what things are there? How you can able to analyze the algorithms? Then we will go to notations, how you can able to analyze the time and space complexities, what are the notations that we have, and the performance analysis like worst case, best case, average case. Those are some theory parts. First we will discuss those things, and then we will start arrays data structure. Okay, then we will go with the flow. At last, greedy algorithms, so backtracking. Okay, all these things we will cover. Okay, can we change the timings of this batch? No, no. This batch is already committed at 7 o'clock. So 7 to 8, this batch will be there. Yeah, if you are having any queries, please post it on chat window. Yeah, we can able to do the programs from this. Recording session will be available. Swapnil, better to go for normal editors. Okay. Yeah, we can go with IDE also. No problem. We will see. If possible, we will use at least for 2 to 3 concepts, I will use IDE. Course content is there in our website. You can check it. Yeah, recording will be there in YouTube. First 3 to 4 days, recorded videos will be there. Rashekar is asking assignments will be there. Maybe you can expect in some areas. Logic based programming, 2 months duration. As of now, the recorded videos will be there in YouTube. No, for recording, there is no need to pay any extra amount. In this 999, you will get running notes, live lectures, at the same time recording videos. Yeah, for this total batch only we are going to give recordings. Yeah, we will, Sunny, we will explain how to calculate time and space complexities for any algorithm. Okay. So based on that, you have to calculate for your algorithms. For every algorithm we want to do. Sir, here questions and all won't be there. We will take a data structure and we will provide implementation. It is not concept based, right? No, flowcharts won't be covered here. Yeah, after demo, the students who registered for this course, only for them, we will share the recordings through Google Drive. Yes, graph concepts we are going to implement. Manish, we are not using IDE because in IDE, so many auto suggestions will be there. Like if I type a string dot, automatically string related methods will come, right? So just to avoid that, I'm not going to use. I think you got the concept. If any class is missed, definitely you have to refer the videos. Once if the course is, if you have registered for the course, automatically our admin team will share the recordings. No, 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 no. Nagarjuna, you are going to get the complete material at the end because this is the first batch, right? Whatever I'm typing, I will convert it into PDF. This is the syllabus, tentative syllabus, what we have. In core Java, what topics we need to focus more? I already told OOPS concepts and then collections. Yes, yes. In the Google Drive only, I'm going to share the running notes. Yes, I'm using command prompt only to run the Java program. Normal course completion certificate will be provided. Knowledge based programming. What is that? Logic based programming is there. Yeah, tomorrow's the same Zoom link. Yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. See you tomorrow for the continuation. There we will talk in detail about rest of the things. Okay. Right. So thank you, sir. Good night.